Hi CAI Fierce Friends, this is Jennifer, one of the board members with CAI Heartland. Do you have a high efficiency furnace? If you do, be sure to bundle up today and go take a look at its exhaust. This is how the carbon monoxide from your furnace gets out of your house. Bundle up and go check out the side of your house. You're looking for a small PVC pipe that has an elbow on it pointed in the downward position. Normally sits 2 or 3 feet off the ground. In super cold temperatures like we're having, moisture can build up and freeze in that exhaust pipe. This could cause a blockage, and that blockage will keep the carbon monoxide from the furnace in your home instead of safely out of your house. Be safe, stay warm. Thanks, CAI friends.